Good evening, all.
Good evening.
God is good,
All the time.
and all the time.
God is good.
Thank you. Let me write on the protocol already established to save on time. Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr. Manyumba, set out elaborately the protocol. I worked with Mr. Manyumba in 1994. He was my assistant counsel in the Mutongwe ferry accident that many of you may have heard of, because I believe some of you are not born then. And I know when it comes to specificity, he is very particular. I'm happy to join you this evening, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate our officers who are leaving the station and those who are coming in. Judge Wabwoto, many words have been used to describe you: gentle, humble, and all those. For me, I associate myself with all those the adjectives. Yours is humility personified. I ask that you carry it with you in your new station. I've worked in very many stations in my tour of duty before I retired 3.5 years ago. And I know you're going to one of the busiest stations, but I believe with your humility, you'll be able to succeed. I had occasion to work in Kisumu briefly many years ago, and I believe that you fit the bill when it comes to delivery of justice in that area. You have set the pace in this county for the people of Kenya. When I heard you say there is no backlog in ELC, in Voi, I was extremely impressed, because that is now almost a disease in the entire judiciary. And my dear sister, Lady Justice Orwa, the pace has been set for you. For my learned colleagues on the other side, that is the bar, the challenge now has been thrown to you. Help the court to deliver justice so that there is no backlog, not only in ELC, but also in the High Court and magistracy. And be leaders in that regard. For our incoming judges, Lady Justice Oro, I've just said that the path has been cleared for you. For Sharon, an officer I've worked with for many years in the judiciary, you are home. And for the others who are not here, kindly know that this is one area ambapo hakuna fitina nyingi, mradi tu ufanye kazi yako vizuri, and you'll be able to succeed. For judicial staff, assist judicial officers in the execution of their duties. I know you have an enormous task in preparation of the files, availability of all other assistants, led by the Deputy Registrar and the Court Administrator. I believe you shall succeed. I'm now a mediator after retiring. Upon retirement, I told my colleagues that you will not see me in court representing any clan, and I intend to hold on to that. I had my share for 10 years before I joined the judiciary, and I put in 35 years in the judiciary, making a total of 45 years. I've had my share on the side, on that side of the table. but I'll keep on doing mediation, kupatanisha watu, and especially in succession matters, commercial disputes, and well, succession also includes family matters, and also some land matters. But I'm also a consultant in election disputes. That's what has kept me quite busy, not only here but in other jurisdictions. And it's interesting that I read very interesting literature. There's a professor who has written 2 interesting books: How to Rig an Election and How to Win an Election. I took my time to read that literature. It's very exciting. I do not intend to advise anyone to rig an election, though. I can advise one on how to win. And after the court work, after disputes are filed in court, I can also be available for consultation from advocates. Mr. Mwinzi, are we together?
Yes.
For the members of public who are here, please have confidence in the judiciary. The judiciary is there to serve you. And it's the Chief Justice has repeatedly said, we are there to serve you. Please continue having confidence in this very wonderful institution. And we have an open door policy. What will prevent you from going to Mr. Mshaga's office or the head of station, Mr. Oko, to raise any issue, or even writing a letter? And then we have the court users committees, which are open forums for you to attend, to express your concerns in the event that you are afraid. Judge Wabwoto, I'm impressed that you found time to look at the prisoners, some of whom are there not because they committed any offenses, but because of fitina. That one I know because from experience. Those are also our brothers and sisters who need your support. So other than, or in addition to providing sporting equipment like footballs and such like things, once in a while, host luncheons for them. Senior Counsel Mr. Mwanyumba will recall some years back, I hosted a luncheon for prisoners here at Voi Prison. That's one area you can be able to express your love for people whose freedom has been curtailed for some reason or other. I don't have much to say, but to thank you all, outgoing officers, judicial officers, the incoming officers, and keep the light of the judiciary shining at every stage of your journey. I thank you all. Asante sana.